Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 3.0 V6 turbo eco diesel engine and 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the black crystal coat and it looks fantastic. It's very shiny and a little sparkly. It looks great. You got the chrome accenting up front with the Laramie grille, and you have the Ram logo right there. You do have bifunction projector style headlights right there, and they are very bright. You do as well have your fog lights just down there. And then coming around the side, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Those chrome rims look awesome. There's still lots of tread left on them as well, so you'll be good for a while. You got that eco diesel badging right there, and heated exterior mirrors in the chrome. And you do have the running boards along the bottom, which are very nice, especially if you're a little bit shorter. You do have a 5-foot box back here. Tons of room. You got the Laramie logo hanging out there, and you do have dual exhaust pipes with the chrome bumper, and you do have your park sensors back there, as you can see them, and your backup camera right there. Open this guy up. It does have the bed liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up, and there's lots of room to haul things. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 press to this guy to activate our remote start, especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you, and I'll heat it up, and you will be good to go. Now, if we just press it again, it does turn it off. You do also have your panic button there, and it is a proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key in your hand or on your person, you just put your hand in there, it will unlock, and you do have the button there to unlock it as well. On the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, and you have an electric button there to bring in your mirrors, which is very handy. You also have some chrome accenting here, and you do have a nice wood accent handle. You have lots of storage in here and down here, plus you got a place for a cup holder. Over here we do have the controls of our seat, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt, the memory, and the lumbar support. And then right up here we do have the controls over our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as the in-cabin light control right there. And then right up here we do also have the control over our high beams and our windshield wipers. Okay, the keys are just sitting there, so all we gotta do is press the button and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge, our engine temperature, and we have our oil life and all that good stuff in there. We also have how many kilometers we've been, which is only 1,493. That is pretty much nothing. With the channel we're on, the temperature outside, the gear we're in, and which way we're facing. Now we can change that up to our vehicle info, our fuel economy, trip A, trip B, get your trailer tow, you have your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and then you're back to your speedometer. It is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth controls right there, horn in the center, and you do also have the controls over your traction control right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you get these buttons, volume up and down, as well as a source changer, and on the other side there is a channel changer. In the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all hanging out in there. You do also have your media if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your controls over your heated vented seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. Same for the other side. Then you got your mirror dimmer, backup camera, and your extra settings. You got your Uconnect apps there. You do have your climate control right here, and it is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. Then you also have your navigation, so if you just hit accept there and hit the map, you can see that we are on Rec Place. Then you also have your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here is our gear shift, so all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake and twist it. And when you twist it into reverse, you do have your backup camera, very handy to have. And you also have your 4-wheel auto, your lock, your 2-wheel, and your 4-wheel low, all right there. In the center, in the climate control, we do have our volume up and down with our mute, our screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser over here. You have your AC and your circulation, your dual climate heat up and down. Then you have your AC and your auto with the power in the center here, just like that. Then you have your front and rear defrost. You also have your trailer brake, your traction control, tow and haul, park assist off, then your heated and vented seats and heated steering wheel for you and your passenger. Some storage right in here, and in the center we got lots of room here with a little place for your cell phone. Our keys are just hanging out there right now. Then you also have your cup holders right here. And right in the center, you do have your armrest, which doubles as, we'll get that out of the way, doubles as a storage container. So you have some coin holders, and then you also have a USB plug-in and an aux cord plug-in right there. And then you can also open this guy up, and you do have lots of storage in there as well. to put whatever you might want to. And then right over here we do have a dual layer glove box. We got the top layer right there and the bottom layer right there. And then up top we have the controls over our sunroof, our little back window, and our universal garage door opener. There is our sunroof, very bright, lets in tons of light, and it just looks really nice. You also have that little window right back there. Okay, let's open this guy up here, check out the back. Now on the door here you do have that same chrome accenting and same wood. You have the handle here, and you got that storage with very nice leather here for your arm. As well, you do have some more storage right down here. It is a leather interior in the back as well as the front. Very comfortable, and it just looks really nice. Now you can fold this guy down right here, give yourself an armrest with some cup holders, and you can also fold this up just like this, and then you do have some storage just under there. On the other side there is a subwoofer underneath there to blast your favorite music. You can also fold this up just like this, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of, and you can do the same with the other side. And you do have some additional storage right in here. There is some stuff in there, and as well you do have heated seats in the back right back here, which is incredibly nice. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.